Google Maps boasts of more than 1 billion active users, making it one of the most popular navigation systems in the world. But are you sure you're getting the most out of it? Well, we've compiled a list of 8 tips and tricks to make sure you master Google Maps. Meeting a friend and trying to figure out their exact location can be a bit of a hassle, but not anymore, as Google Maps allows you to share real-time locations. Just go to Google Maps, click on the hamburger icon on the left, and tap on Share Location. After that, select the time as to how long you want to share your location, say for an hour or two, or even until you turn it off manually. Then, select the people you want to share it with. Once shared, your friend will also receive a link asking for the same to share their location. In short, this will help both of you to figure out where you exactly are and how to get to each other quickly. Wandering around in the parking lot trying to remember where you parked your car? Well, that's not gonna happen anymore. Just tap on the blue dot on the screen, which is your current location. The pop-up window will show 3 options. Tap on Select Parking Location. Your parking location will be saved and can be accessed later whenever you've finished with your work. Going to the hills, which is around 500 kilometers away from your city. Also on the way, you'd want to stop and catch a meal or maybe fuel up your car. Well, there's a way to sort all of this by adding multiple stops on your journey without even losing out on the best route. Just set your location to say Manali. Click on the navigation button on the bottom right. And before starting, click on the 3 dots in the top right corner. In the pop-up window, tap on Add Stop. You can add as many stops on the way and can even set them according to your priority. You don't need to open the Uber or Ola app to get the cab fares, because now you can directly book the cab of your choice from Google Maps itself. Just select a location, click on the navigation button on the bottom right, and then tap on the 4th option available on the top right corner of the screen. You can book the cab of your choice even without having to open the app individually. On your journey, you'd probably want to take the best route, so avoiding that extra traffic on the toll road can be a bit handy if you just check the route options before heading. Just set your location, tap on the navigation button on the bottom right, click on the 3 dots on the top right corner and select route options. Then you can select or deselect to avoid motorways or tolls or ferries. Just remember that sometimes you might end up on a longer route than usual, so consider that before deciding. One of the first things you should do on Google Maps is to save your home and work addresses. To do this, click on the hamburger icon on the top left and tap on Your Places. From there, you can set your home and work addresses. With this, you can now ask Google Maps to navigate to home or work instead of putting in the whole address. Moreover, you can also save your frequently visited places. Just type in a location, click on it, and on the middle right of the screen, click on Save. You can further find your favorite locations in the Your Places menu under the Save tab. We are used to pinching in order to zoom in and out, but what you may know is that there's one-handed zoom on Google Maps. Tap twice on the screen, resting your thumb or finger on the second tap. You'll figure that now you can swipe up or down in order to zoom in and out. Quite handy, right? What to do when you have a slow internet connection? The location services will be too slow to use. Well, in that case, you should download the maps offline. Search for a place, say Delhi. Open the tab from the bottom and tap on Download. Now select the download area and once again tap on Download. For viewing your downloaded map, just click on the hamburger icon on the main screen and select Offline Areas. That's it. These were some of the tips and tricks you need to know to use Google Maps the smart way. Hit the like button and tell us in the comments if we missed something that you think is useful. As always, for all things tech, follow Gadgets360.com.